Hello, this is a little video we put together showing you how you can make a battery-powered electric fence energizer into a solar-powered unit. What you need is the solar shock box available from valleyfarmsupply.com. This is an all-enclosed system where you add the battery and the energizer and turn it on. This is a secure system where you mount your components inside. Everything you need included, and it's ready to go. When you get the package from Valley Farm Supply, you're going to have to assemble the solar panel onto the back of the box itself, the hinge where the hinge is, and then you're ready to go. You drop your battery in and you put your energizer in and you hook it up and you're good to go. The box measures about 26.5 inches long. It's about 9.5 inches wide and about 20 inches tall without the solar panel on it. You can see here a battery will fit in that compartment and your energizer will fit there. Most any energizer will work in that component area. Here you see a Cyclops Champ. We saw a tremendous amount of Cyclops energizers. They're American made units and they work great, but a Speedrite or a Gallagher will fit in that area too. This particular model has a 50-watt solar panel on it, but they do come in a 40-watt, 50-watt, 60-watt, and an 80-watt panel. The size of the panels are going to be larger, but the box should be about the same size. You're going to mount it onto your fence and install your components, and it's secure. It has an on-off switch, a latch on the side to get in and out, so it's nice and weather-proof. It stays dry inside, I'll definitely say that. They're good. They're available from valleyfarmsupply.com or cyclopsfence.com or cyclopselectricfence.com. Plus, we also have Gallagher, Speedrite, Patriot products available at different websites too. But check out our website, valleyfarmsupply.com, and order your solar shock box today. It's just a great, well-built unit made here in the United States. Thanks and have a great day.